Oh, I should do one game in the Faith ship. Flamers, sorry.
I do believe there is a bullet stuck in your chest, sir. Here, catch! The starboard side is ready! Fire! Victory is ours!
Well, I see that multiple cannon. It's so amazing!
I have a present for you. Prepare the port side. Destroy the enemy. I told you I was too incredible to lose. Cannon ready.
Okay, get him to the right. I mean to the right. Looking the enemy.
If we can get in front or behind it, it's good.
Reloading!
Oh. The captain leave. We'll help our galleon with their galleon. Never mind, ready left side. Fire when you have a shot.
Have one of these!
Lining up for the next point.
Well, obviously I won. I have a present for you. If you want an autograph, then join the queue on the left. Reloading. Good job, men. Pats on the back all around. I'm on
We're gonna help out our way in front.
Fixed.
Get ready to ram. Never mind.
Cannon ready.
We're going for the galleon. Take out the hoy first. Hoy to your left side.
Victory is ours.
Firing left. Shit. The galleons lined up on us. One on swivels if you can.
Hey, my PC crashed. I'm sorry. Do you want me to work the 10 or?
Loaded and
Yeah.
waiting for command.
Yeah, you lined up well for the shots, so you can take over. I'll abstain.
I don't hear English, but I speak English.
Far right.
As I didn't select loadout, I couldn't steal, but it's okay, I'm back.
Damn it. I'm dead again.
I'm sorry, I had a crash. I was a container, so therefore I got away.
I'm pumping. You repair the hull.
One more hole somewhere. Find a hole, I think it's front left somewhere.
Well, I'm sorry for the crash, Mitch, sorry. I don't know what's happened, but my PC just crashed the server for like 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I was like, okay, I give up. I hold the power button. Oh, come on, I'm sorry.
No problem. We're too low on tickets right now, so I don't think we're gonna win anyway.
Yeah, sorry.
We have a chance, but we need to sink the galleon like 2 times or something.
I'm very sorry for crashing team. PC crashed.
No, it's no problem.
I told it to the team. This game is so good, I can't stop it. Really.
Starboard side, get ready. I got something for you. Reloading. I hope you enjoy being obliterated. Well, obviously I won. Ready to fire on your command, sir. Do not return to sender.
I was seeing the tab menu, sorry. I didn't see what happened.
Ready the port side.